Nope, he's got that. You don't go over there. Sit down. There you go. See all these cars?
Careful, Racer.
You gotta watch. You gotta watch right here, Hunter. Watch. Wait, wait, wait. Go, go. Never mind. Get out of the way as fast as you can, babe. They'll run you over. There's the leader right here.
That's the leader?
That's the leader.
You'll have 4 minutes, Racer.
Jeez. You stand up. Sit, crouch down a little bit so they can see. Crouch down so they can see. There you go. There you go. Good job, babe. Go, go, go. Get. There you go. Watch out. Watch out. See?
Future still first place? I can't tell. I can't tell.
Rachel's in first. Matt Hicks second.
Here it is. Hey, right here.
Zane
Right here.
fourth. Joe fifth.
I'm just gonna call him the teacher guy.
Seventh.
Occupies don't have.
And we got the leader coming up around the U-turn here.
Nice.
There he goes. Right there, right there. Got it.
Richie Kelly first. Matt Hicks second. Zane Horn third. Randy Horn is now in fourth. TJ fifth. Matt
Going over here.
Horn sixth. And Joe in seventh. 2 minutes left, Racers.
That was cool.
Yeah.